This 2024 CrossRoads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS330SI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, stovetop burner, oven, external shower, slide-out, spare tire kit, water heater, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, TV, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS330SI is 7,680 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.